I know syphilis a kill them, no. I know HIV a kill them, no sir. I know chicken gun a kill them. I just a little tip of bad man. So to we bust big a kill them, fret them. Buy 2 house it a kill them. Pretty girl storm 2 car it a kill them. People stay so from long time, doctor love. So make them go watch my life. Yeah, while feed them pop them. But
blood clot things she do in her life. She talk about me and my mother. Girl, me a mad you. Me a mad you stinking old puss. Me a mad you. Madam.
Exactly, but we want to know what your problem is.
Why you not pussy clot love me? Me a trouble you. Me a pussy blood clot trouble you.
And your pussy she want suck. Remember you gonna suck her pussy and your pussy she want suck. Because after she blood clot you over there. I say, oh, she tell how much life on you. And she know you got money not give no money. She know Miss Bednugger you got the money. Blood clot. Oh, you got get the money. You got money to get a plate of food. That's the most you gonna get.
Bitch, off of my dick now. Stop riding my dick. A 2 year no post. You steal. Me say me talk it, you know. Me say it's I think a Nadia she want war with. I don't Nadia she want war with.
Yo, but I'm not Tanya. Hold on, sister, hold on there. Sister, hold on there. Remember say you're somebody. You know me hear that big dirty swine say. She don't argue with nobody. So guess what? She don't want to argue with Canada ape, Grizzly ape. She don't want to argue with cheese. I used to want to argue with that me and somebody, my sister.
Of course, me
yeah, somebody. Me and the only weak people talk about kids. I one word. The hear her blood clot down. She said she not argue with people what she bring down before. Sister, she don't bring her down, so that's why she hurt. She had tried to get her rally back, put it in her comeback.
You can't bring me down. You can't bring me down, Puss. You can't bring down my mother. And a so good blood clot, girl. Move your pussy clot and go learn for talk patois. Go learn for talk. Bitch, you can't call me dog shit. I puss the dog shit. Are you want puss a dog shit? None of you stinking old girl was she have a friend. Una nah no man, una pussy big, una mind man. Una suck good like dog. I will not suck good in the city. Una pussy rub out, una mouth rub out, una body wall rub out, una ears
pussy rub out, una nose rub out.
I don't mean they put the pussy down.
Dirty blood clot, grizzly ape, she don't name the love standards. She name grizzly ape, Canada ape, and me come.
She want you go. She can't argue with me. She want you go for argue with me. That's what she try to do. She want you go for come out, cuss him mother, cuss me, cuss this.
Add me. Why you add me dog shit when they cuss you? Why your blood?
I said no other me, the dirty ugly woman. No me no over her life. Such a mother Tanya. Big old Tanya. I was like, what the fuck? What is this? Sunday is a peaceful blood clot, dear.
Yeah, but that's why we're going to rub out your whole day tomorrow.
Talk to Terry Gooders.
Watch me now.
Blood clot, gorilla puss. Go look a man. You don't have a man. What? The man I beg you, the man I said. Listen, meet the man over there talk. The man I said him is tired. Him tired, him broken puss. You break him. Release him, Puss! Release him tired of it! Him tired of the war with him family! What him blood clot you want from with? When me know where you're from? When me know where you're from, stinking old girl! Me don't know where you're from!
Sister, hold on there, we not get put the line like this, no man, sorry,
don't get me upset.
And this the one you come argue with her, sister, you're not getting no limelight. She go suck her mother, make you see over there argue with you. You big up to make you see over there argue, you're not giving no limelight. But go cuss the grizzly blood clot here.
Big up yourself, Joe.
And this you are.
That's and this you are. I'm talking. Sister, don't me tell you. Me say to you, say, think Nadia she want worried. Watch her see. She will cuss Nadia for about 1 2 days. And then because she get the whole for people them. She goes so boom, I make a U-turn. Oh, again, mama. Tanya. Hey, go suck a hood no man. Go clean the infection out of your body now.
Push your earth. Tell her stop calling that girl a name. Tell her you're not argue with the argue. Make she see over there and talk. Tell her make she see over you're not argue with her.
It's
It's
nasty
something
mouth,
cut
girl.
like sister, you're not getting a limelight.
And this dirty girl, this dirty pussy girl with up on the phone. Oh, you dog shit, mother. And the man I say, yo, ease up off of the mother thing. Bitch, you don't need to tell the big stinking swine the truth. You
Sister,
don't need to tell her
come
the
back, you're
truth.
going to that story and come back. Sister, you're going to that story and come back and shine
Come
the
back.
light.
You don't need to tell her the truth. You don't need to tell her the truth. Me not trouble her. Me not trouble her. You go, oh, hey, sister. Sister do what? Sister do what? Look how much months me not look pampers. Me not post her. Me not talk about her. Me I live my best life. Girl, you can't call me dirty. Girl, you can't call me dog shit, girl. Listen to me, a nice blood clot, girl. You know, so you can't tell her the truth. You can't tell her the truth. I told you this a go on. Me not war with her. Me not war with her. Me send her man a war from 3 weeks ago. Now we can make 4 weeks. Me never come out and talk. Me not tell nobody nothing. Me not say nothing. Me say me don't fucking care. Me not want to know. Me not interested because my life is happy. Me not want to hear nothing about no miserable people life. You understand? And boom, boom, boom. Right? Him call him mother. Him and him mother put the phone, whatever. Me even turn to mommy and say, mommy, watch and see. Every time the boy call him mother, you create a scene. You talk about me, bring him down. You bring him down. You walk in the district and tell the people them say my batty man. And tell the people them oh you don't want him. Him a yard boy. Him a clean up your yard. Him a dog shit. Yo, bitch. Apart from my dick. Lift apart from my blood clot dick now. A full time. Boy, I never ever could Hugo just a clown out himself no. Listen, she don't want it for done. Mumsel, she don't want it for done. She can't move on. You know why she can't move on? She hurt how me bring her down. She hurt how me stand up and war with her blood clot. Because she thinks that she could have come black me about. Go live. Come live. Come tell people say, yeah, man, I fuck your pretty them. Bitch, you have to promise me that. Bitch, when I say that, then give me the strength to burn down your blood clots. Eh? You think I can't, big blood clot gorilla. Who you can't blackmail? Dirty foot girl. Dirty nasty girl. Stinking old girl. Girl with your pussy turned outside out. You can't talk to me. If you did that fuck, we want him to kill him mother. I kill him want him kill him mother. Cause must want him kill him mother. You get up. You go. Oh no. You play all video. You blood clot play. When me not look by you. Look how much months. The last one when you come out with the voicemail and show the people them say, you're lying. You're lying. You're bad mind no pussy clot. You don't have no family bond. You don't have no love. Your father fuck you. Your brother fuck you. Your pussy rub out. I don't mean make your father fuck you. I don't mean make your brother fuck you. So bitch, why you can't ignorant to me? Why you fucking mad? Huh? You come see me and my brother I live good. Me cannot fuck my brother. All the rumors they ask, brother. Oh, your brother is my brother never. Ever. None of my brother. Me never fuck none of my brother friend. None of them. Me and my brother friend them grew up like brother and sister. You want to put fuck it, chucky, fuck it, dolly upon my name. You cannot stuck it. You cannot use your past and use for me. You understand? Me grew up. Me never drag up. Me grow up good. Me grew up with my mother and my father. My mother and my father left when me at 7 years old. So me know love. Me used to wait for my father to come home from work. And when my mother share him dinner in the pirate dish, him always put upon him lap and take out the chicken leg and give it to him princess. Me and only daughter. Come talk to me now. Come blood clot talk to me now. Him never finger my pussy. Him never stole me innocent. Daddy, why you touch me there? I'm gonna tell on you one day, I swear. Move your blood clot. Your father rev out your hole. Your life sad puss. You say you get a man. Jamaica land we love. Food and water. Look how Queenie Gangster enjoy herself with a little drumstick. Eh? Look how people live with a man. All you can do, lock me in a fucking grill. Yeah, Tanya. Again, mama. 2 years now you call me name. 2 years now you're the palm, my mother. I will not see you. Me not see you. And this big pussy girl, me never read comment. This big pussy girl with the on the phone. And the man a ball. The man a saying tired. The man a saying tired. Oh, your sister with the black cloth me a do. What me a do? Me trouble you. Me not trouble you. And you start cussing me. My mother from last week till now. And you run go pick war with Nadia. You don't want war with Nadia. Me you want war with. But guess what? Put no listen to her. She over there to make somebody there on the phone a cuss for her. She cannot cuss. She cannot cuss. Somebody have to cuss with her. And because you go bring her down with the mother, so why you go up on the live now? I say, big pussy Tanya, it's still puss. Puss it's still. Him say all when to say, I'm a talk and the life. And the life. Leave me now. Let me live in peace with my kids then. I grow up my kids and now live in peace. I don't give a fuck about you. People on here know that I'm not troubling you. I'm not troubling you. So how you feel say, me I trouble you and you go when me not trouble you. And you cost me last night right back. I saw my mother give you go money. And yeah, you go eat it where? Where do you look? Where? My mother can't take my money and give nobody. And me, I look after my mother. I'm a little sister, my big sister. We come together every month and make sure she have her food, her medication, yeah, every little thing what she wants. Make sure she her light bill pay, her water bill, yeah. Yeah, she have money for give you go. She get money. You don't lie. Your auntie, I have one auntie on my father's side. One auntie from my father's side, and she lived in Birmingham of United Kingdom. She's a British citizen. She was born here, right? After my grandmother and my father are Cuba, and she got my great granny send her to Cuba to go study. She got fuck and breed, get my father from a Cuban man, send my father home, make her way to England, and she never blood clot return. So when you're gonna say, my auntie will live at Kingston 13, that's my mom, little sister. She love my mom and she love me. You never, she don't talk to you. You find your way up there, in my auntie house, all your house clean. When my auntie said to you, say, I saw my big sister house clean too. Oh, my mother-in-law, me here, so she over there work hard. My auntie said, listen, come my auntie a Christian. Stop there. You're in my sister yard. Is a pussy yard. So when you say, my sister not mixing the iniquity. I'm going to ask you something. Even if my mother do iniquity, what it is to you, is that your business? Huh? How it affect your life? Hmm? How? You're not tired now, Puss. Puss, you're not tired. You're not in a resting place for earth. Hmm? Everything we are going around the world, people are dead. You come like say nothing. You're not saying nothing now. And all the reason why you pick war with Nadia, because you want it to come back to me. That's the reason why you pick war with Nadia. Because really and truly, all the things that we are cuss Nadia, and we are cuss me and my mother. And when you cuss her, tell me my mother the lies. I'm talking, I say, sister, don't fret them, watch and see. Me I give her 2 days. She go rub Nadia for 2 days, and then the 3rd day, she go turn it around and start for me and my mother. Because that's what you want. What I don't understand, how you go sit and let this reach so far with him mother. This not right now. I believe him head sick. Mom said he's sick. I'm not telling no lie. Who not hear the guy? Who not hear him? He might look for now and I tell her, I say, him tired. Him need peace. He need peace. Me not the number for you go. Me not trouble you go. Me not come on live. Look how long I don't come on live. Look how long I don't come on live. And last week I come and bring him down. You bring him down on the internet. And then you go talk say, oh, Mr. I'm me for bring him down. Me, we are same mother, same father. Bitch. Him not know you from nowhere. Him can't stand you. All you want, as the man say, oh, come cuss your mother. Come cuss your sister. Hey, one brother me have and me tell all him, the English guy said, don't mess with my brother. Listen, Mumsel, you don't understand, babes. She corrupted my brother for me and my mom. You hear the fucking English bitch messing with things that don't concern her. Oh, he's a sister, this, a sister, that. What my sister, what me do? Me come by yes, so I'm a show proof. Me play with my brother and me 2018, how it nice and I live good. From the day I introduced him to this blood clot girl, yeah, she will come and I say, like when you should call me, I should say, so oh you could never make no money, I have no house. I saw me, I said to her, I say, if I have house and money and him did only there in England, must have 3 years or 2, me not sure. And then him get himself in a trouble. She tape me. She tape innocent things, you know. She tell him say me want to kill him. She tell him say me want to call the prison and do him this. Me, the woman tell him some things. The woman I tell him say, when he reach a Jamaica, oh, me call passport place, me call driving license, me call the TRL. Oh, me even call him place. He's a Jamaican. He never done no criminal activity in Jamaica. So him not have a record. Why would I call those things? And if he's a Jamaican citizen, this is how wicked she is. Because what she do, she tried to isolate me and my brother. So me can't talk to him and tell him nothing. She corrupt his mind. And guess what problem? He must say, oh, me and his mother, she said, this woman are going to help him, which is she's not. He might go kill your Puss. Puss mark my word. He might go push a knife in you and kill you. He is a murderer and he will kill you. Because you drive the man. You drive the man insane. You are driving the man. You man no peace. Nobody not trouble you. You come and cuss my mother last night. My mother had this, my mother had whore, my mother had this. Your class, my mother. My mother don't know you. We don't know you. Me never meet you. Never meet me. Can somebody be so fucking obsessed? Mom said me try my best. Mom said me not trouble her. Everybody know me not trouble her. She said me a war with her. Oh, me for war with her when me don't have him number. And even if me didn't have him blood clot number, I would call him. She don't know me a Aquarius. When me done with people, me done with them. I put them in a little box and throw them in the sea and lost them. I will never speak to him. I will never speak to him. You see, my kids them will violate my same baby them. My baby them will walk prison road. My baby them will keep up him spirit and make him know say him have a family unit. Me will go and hear it. Me will go look for him. Me will give everything him asks for. And him come and him sit down because as him say, him didn't want to go to Germany. And him don't want, him never want to stay at Jamaica. Tanya, stop saying that because your mom will not want him to go back. Me say him a go kill her. he's gonna kill her. Wanna go over there, go listen to the live. Him a beggar. Him a beggar for peace. Him a say him tired. The man say him tired. Every day on him war. Cause you want him to do things we don't want to do no more. You want him to come and cuss his mother. His mother will come and blood. When my mother come to England, my mother work at hotel. My mother have a slippers. My mother couldn't buy her shoes on her foot. Because my mother said she don't want none of it dead. We're not me, because I never mix up someone with the dead. But like she said, she don't want you go dead or Christopher dead or you with dead. Because she lose Johnny and she never get over her son. My mother never get over my brother. And my mother work in a hotel for £4.50. Them time the ticket of £350 still was enough money. My mother sent for Hugo and Johnny. My brother have one pitney and my nephew. And then after that, me come a couple months after. And then after me, then Huey, then Christopher. My big sister, then my little sister. After Huey, then my little sister, then Christopher. My big sister did already there. I'm married to her husband. You understand? My mother blood clot come and send for we. My mother never leave we. My mother never leave we for God, Jamaica and stuff. I want me to talk about my mother. My clean mother. My mother wear a white sheet on her bed. Where my mother clean. My mother don't even have a man. I hear my mother don't have a man. My mother don't mix up in a dirt. She have a little shop and that's it. Me and you describe my mother a dirty woman. And I be a dirty girl. First of all, no dirty girl in the Portmore. I be a hot girl. I be an ambitious girl. I be a clean skin girl. I be a nice blood clot girl there Portmore. The little girl them have ambition. The little girl them work and build up all them family house and have them nice room and build it up nice and them work. No careless girl in the boat again. When you think that Jamaica have careless girl, I hear the carelessness. You're careless. Pussy careless. You're big and careless. You get up on your class, my mother. My mother don't know you. You never give my mother a chance to know you. You never give her a chance. This big pussy blood clad girl, where you did a Jamaican war. So good English girl. The only thing you know for do a drink come. Come back it. Come out. You can't call me dark shit, because you don't know nothing about me. I puss a dark shit. You just say I puss big and dirty. You just see how I'm nice and clean. Teeth white in my head. Look how she look, sister. The same ready for hand back. One day God will let forgive him, because no matter what, I will never. I tell you this for my kids, them life. Tell you with me. You see they want me eat you. Talk about my kids. I have a special eat. Never special eat for you. When you talk about my blood clot kids, them, I will never forgive him. I will never forgive him. Because when me have Amanda, baby, the way you go used to love my daughter. I mean, Jackie back empty. Manda.
Puss. Look how Puss dirty. Look how Puss in the same clothes from over here. No, shall we the same clothes. Same clothes them shall we every year. Look at Puss. Hold on there. Puss. Let me deal with that little bit, sister. Hold on there. Puss. When you look by yourself, Puss, you look like when you step in a salt water, you step in a sand. Puss, you're big and stay like some fish in the sea when nobody no wants. You're big and stay bad. You look like some fish where nobody can't scale. When you look under your foot bottom, or your foot bust up and blood clot, white look like some mad people on the road. Me not like when the mad woman did name what you used today over passa. When she name, she did better than you. She just better than you in Jamaica. She live at your
Madusa.
Madusa look 10 times better than you. Are you the America? And you come from and say you're foreign and you look like shit. You look like shit, Puss. You can't talk to nobody. A bad mind, your bad mind, Miss Beverly, because Miss Beverly now put her sheet on bed unless she press it. When you say Miss Beverly dirty, Under you dirty. Puss, under your black and look like a cold skill. Puss, you look like a cold skill, you're sleeping now. Puss, stop sleeping at cold skill. You come from America and you claim to say you're a foreigner. You're the worst foreigner me ever see. And you make people stop want to come a foreign. Girl, you make people want to stop coming foreign because the way you look nasty and dirty and stink. You are your dirty, stinking, nasty, drunk Post. Remember, Britney want to rub you for your blood clot money. Don't argue with Britney in a inbox. Come out, Britney want to rub out your blood clot, and that you have to come tell the people them. Come and tell the people them, so, oh, you're afraid of Britney. You don't want Britney come put you out there. You're afraid no blood clot. Come and tell the people that. Come tell the people, oh, yeah, I'm Britney a back clit out in her inbox because she get her $1,000 and she want back her money because you don't reach her England yet. Nasty drunker that you talk about. It's so good, girl. England, she run from Chara and look how she look. And them girl make people that say suffering, look if I suffering, look, me no want come. Look how Jamaican girl, they look nice.
Nice.
Drunker, you look like a piece of shit, girl. People who come from foreign now eat blood clot, mackerel and rice. Them not big scallion, them not big type. Them a eat be a lobster and be a blood clot fish. You never go on Elcha not even one time. Girl, you need a life. You need a blood clot life. You see Miss Beverly life for your bad man because Miss Beverly, they are Jamaica how many years now and she still look like a foreign she there. Move your dirty blood clot from here. If you have a dog shit. And you dirty stinking nasty blood clot Keiko, let me tell you something. Don't call blood clot Tiggy name in your mouth. You don't know Tiggy. Make Tiggy rest in blood clot peace. Drunk. Worry about your son. We dead how many years over rice and peas that you never can go him graveside. But show nobody what your son graveside look like. So go suck your mother dirty girl. Come out of Jamaican business. And the next time stop call up Jew blood clot name so Jew not compound no life. Go suck your mother. Jew is our friend, not no friend. Redundant old blood clot. Cestan pool hole. Stop walk with Medarest. Get Medarest out of your blood clot old post. You never know so you leave England and go pick up Medarest under you. What you do with those cut under your drunk. The boy say him tired of your blood clot now. Him tired. You have a weight on him. You come like the world. Back up off of you go and him blood clot family. You're heavy. You have a heavy spirit. Back up off of the boy. Him tired of you. Release him. Release him in the name of Jesus. Let him go. Stop time up like how you tie up your pitney them. Let go the woman pitney. Let go Miss Beverly pitney when it's all said and done. Tanya brother and Miss Beverly pitney. You now bring them down no more because you're upset. You claim to say you're not arguing with nobody where you argue against. So why you still argue with Tanya after 2 years? Why you not argue with Ape Sanders? Why you not argue with Cheese no more? Cheese rub out your blood clot and bury you so you're afraid to call Cheese name. But you leave Tanya in drunker. She's tired of you now. Homeless nasty Puss. Puss you can't come back at blood clot jumping out in drunker. Test and food pussy wall. Where you not gonna find a life? Trench old girl. Puss, when you open up under your trench, you open up under your puss, under your black, under your rank, under your stink. You come like a world tour. One again, sister.
This dirty pussy clot, girl, man. Come on, man. The man over there, she put somebody on the phone for nippulating bread. How is this sister big pussy? Come bucket, blood clot, English girl. Go come out of Jamaican mix up. How the fuck you reaching there? Suck good girl. Go suck your man hood. Go body wash your man body.
Because that's what you used to.
The man said, listen, leave my mother alone. You don't have no respect. You come for the phone and you want to bring down the man mother. Them the days they done. Him not bring down his mother. If him cost me, he will cost me. Can make sure say, me not busy about Tanya. But leave my mother out of it. Him and his mother heal. Him and his mother heal.
It's a sister, it's a mother. It's a mother. That says the boy have a mother can go to and she don't have a mother. When it's after the boy still have a mother.
But him tell her, him said to her, me tell her something. Me just upset and talk about my mother grow me good. You think some black clad draw up? Me grow my body in the house. My body in the house, a true house. My father and my mother own. Me never leave a road yet. My brother them never. We never homeless and we never hungry.
Stop lock up the
yard. Our yard people come, picnic come, even our own cousin at Maxfield come on that line. I said, let me tell you something, I don't know Miss Bever's that. When me hungry and Miss Bev yard, me used to go eat. And you call your cousin, where I say that for? You ever say the money go give your cousin? You give family them nothing. When you want the girl for lie, you want the girl to come and say, Miss Bev, dirty woman. No, my mother a clean woman. My mother is a matriarch to our community.
But I eat her time because she can't
Love
find nothing
her.
for herself.
You call everybody over Portmore. You add everybody in our scheme and call them. The people who run you, who now answer you and block you, and who tell us, listen, Miss never good woman. Tanya a nice girl. Yeah? The people them are good people. You cannot find no dirty record for it. And that'll hurt you. Because
I eat
you're
her
so,
mother.
you're so fast.
Sister, me go and listen, but me go use a GPS and me go and listen.
Yeah.
Me go use GPS, yeah.
You're not so fast.
Tomorrow we go robot and
What's
blood
up?
clot and go me there home tomorrow.
What's
What's me
up?
and I?
Nadia video. Remember, Nadia do that video her fucking self. You cannot bring down somebody who publicly put out their fucking business. That don't make no sense. The girl put out her video. How can you bring down a person who put out her own video? So if she never want nobody to know, she would go live. And she would cuss her man. So when you have a steal video where everybody see, Pink Wall have it, it done, nobody no interested. Give up. Leave nice people alone. People don't want to get up every day and live like you, Puss. 2 years you war with me and my mother and my children them for God know what. Because I don't want a blood clot friend from you. And I will never talk to you. Never on this earth and the other. Never. Never. So all you go on, him not kill him mother. Him not kill her, babe. Him and his mother make up a babe. A babe. He not for make up with me and me push him out. A babe, big pussy girl. And it all said and done, me time to tell you. When it all said and done, that's her child. That's her child. So you want to kick up on a real up on a guan, you're going to get left. A babe. Your first time, you don't want him bring you down. Is it that I'm going to kill you? Or I'm going to find a girl where him and the girl press live and bring you the fuck down. The man I beg you. The man in a prison for 17 and a half years. You corrupt him for him family. You tell him how I set up how much man to kill him. But yet still, him still go Maxfield. Where when him dead, me get called. Oh, your brother there, so. Huh? Why would I kill my brother? I know you can't show a video, you know. I know you can't show a voice note, you know. Say, I want 10,000 man to kill you, go. I just your mouth. Your mouth here problem, Puss. Puss, you use your mouth and beat down your own children, them. There's a grandmother, you claim you put up your son, have a next baby. You know, have your grandkids, them, you feel your kids, them. Do right by your grandkids, them, no? Do right by your grandkids, them. Stop sitting up on the internet and bring down people and them children who are better than you. I have all of my kids, them. And if none of my daughter, them, have kids and can't look after it, me, I forget them. Me, I forget them. Auntie Paulette is still in prison. I never see nothing like this in all my life. I never know that somebody can plant themselves in a somebody family. All we step aside and leave her with you go. Nobody now call her. I know my mother calling her. I him calling mother. You understand? I step aside and I walk away and I leave you. You have the man there, like, who do not get it? People who upon our life. Who do not say the woman don't have the man? Jesus Christ, if somebody have a man, the man is right there with her. And she bite up herself for 2 years. Oh, good mama, Dr. Tanya. Jesus, come, me hate you, me hate you more than you hate me. You're a friend you are. A friend you are, me not friend you. Bitch, me don't want no friend. You're dog shit. How can I friend shit? When I walk on the road and I see dog shit, I just step and move because I never want the dog shit to touch my shoes. That is how me hate you. You're a dog shit. You can't call me dog shit. You are a dog shit. You are tormented. All of the years, you say, any man you're there with, Them can't talk to them family. When the man them there? When I'm there? The man breed and get 3 pitney. When the man move out left you, your son was only 2 years old and he move out left you and he never care. You tell me, say, that's why you hate Dougie. Because when Dougie left, Dougie, you never have a number for call Dougie. Dougie don't call. Dougie don't ask about the kids them. Why is she mad if he's talking to him mom? I don't know, Roxy baby. I don't know. He talked to his mom last week. About that week can make 4 weeks now. 4 weeks now. Shanim did in them big war and them problem. But then I still sit on my bed and me I get called Hugo. And me I say, look at that now. Look at that. Why you have to come live there? Your man have a problem. Why you press live? You are right for life, he might kill you. Right for life, I'm gonna stab you and kill you. I'm tired of it. What you want from him? What do you want from him? Him apologize to him, mother. Him and him man make it up. What you want from him? You want him to come cause so you make up, you put people on phone. You get this swamp hole, swamp blood clot, pussy English girl. Then talk blood clot Jamaican. Yeah, and your blood clot sister, your blood clot mother. She get me never give her Hugo. When I introduce her to Hugo, I introduce them just to be pen pal. You understand? I never know that pussy warm and so bad. Like how wood want fire. Yeah, like how car want gas. That's such a warm man. Because I know the car can't run without gas. That's such a warm man. And then let's not do it. The first thing the woman do is attack my relationship. You say when no for who we attack, all went to fuck on up. All went to fuck on up and doing the things them. Oh no. You see everybody gone left far. You dark shit English bitch. You see everybody run gone left far. Them tired eyes. Them never see nothing like this. This is draining. This is mentally and physically draining people's energy. You cannot get up, Puss, and be negative 24 hours a day. When do you find time and then every morning? God this, God that, God. Them tell you, know? Them tell the false prophet. And them tell about the people them who use God to cover up them wickedness. Because if you never use God to cover your wickedness, you sit up on a live and make a man and disrespect him mother and birth him from earth. No matter what, me could have never, me and Rally's mother kick off. And me could have never say Rally cuss your mother. You crazy. I can't say that to my man. My man is a man. I was quiet. I want to say my clown. He is a man. He loves his mom. And I know him love his mom. And I did love her. I did love my mother-in-law. Yeah, I did love her. I look up for her, do everything for her. But just because her daughter don't like me, I should love her daughter, I should listen to her daughter corrupt her against me. Me and my mother-in-law never have a problem. I know with her son who much years. And me and my mother-in-law laying in a bed, I rub her foot, I hug her up. When she come here, I just run round. Mommy, when you want tea, me a force her tea, me a give her dinner. I treat my mother-in-law good. It hurt my heart. I think it don't pay my heart for cuss Rally's mother. But what she do, me didn't have to cuss her. Me didn't have to cuss her. I'm a cuss her because she hurt me, she break my heart. Because the love of me after Rallying, I have it for her. My love me did. I'm not here, my mother-in-law. I'm not here to about, you know what? I just stay away. Because you see me, when you hurt me once, if you hurt me a certain way, I want me cry. I want me feel it in my heart. You will never get a second chance to hurt me. Never. Me I stay away from you. You understand? And because, and guess what? Me not get up on a text from the woman and her daughter, them and I cuss them. You understand? Me get over it, me heal. Me heal mentally and me heal physically. Because the lady break my heart. When she come on my yard, Every Sunday, and mommy me call her to come. I didn't already. Now me can't see me a rubber. I love her. Come and love her son. She gave me a man that I love and I respect. You understand? I don't care where me and them having in the past. I would have never go back on social media and cuss my mother-in-law like that. I love my mother-in-law when we go to Jamaica and pay treatment and her son. Mumsel, let me tell you something. I did. I don't hate her because she's my children's grandmother. But the way all the lady break my heart, it took me 2 years to heal. When me tell her say she break my heart because I love her, I never disrespect her. I never talk down for her, I never. If she call me, anytime she call me ready, if she ask me to do the fear, I do it. When she's sick, I wait me go over there. Them time me a hustle, I'm put my hustle aside. I'm go over there for 2 weeks. She take her 2 weeks off of work. I'm cook her food for her pressure go down. Because her pressure did high and it lick her down. I'm look her for her, wash her clothes, look her for her. Because I'm with her son. And I love her son. And I have to respect her. It breaks my heart when I cuss her. But because my hurt is what she do to me. I'm not do her nothing. All because she have a meddling daughter where my face stay, I'm in a run behind people and she thinks that people will run behind her. So through me to run behind her, she don't fancy me. So she will call up her mother against me. But anyway, me can't get up on a cuss rallying mother. Remember say you don't know my mother, you know. You are cussing a woman that never trouble you, Puss. Never trouble you. You're just upset because the day when you tell Hugo to call my mother, tell my mother about you. My mother said, Hugo, hurry up and come home and make me look after you and stop talking about careless people. Them woman, they are careless woman. Sharang, look what you're doing. What you couldn't say, make me show the woman you say me change. Make me show this woman say me's not what me used to be. You never give my mother a chance. You're ugly, yes, I stink. But if him love you, we can't stop it. I time to say, me can't fuck my brother. Me no care. Me and none of my brother woman them never war. At least nobody there knows nothing wrong. Yeah. And she didn't know. Say me and my mother-in-law them a war. I'm a depressed life because she influenced me. That wicked girl. She influenced me because I was hurt. And she was my internet friend, not my real friend, but the way how I was hurt, I could have seen nothing. I wasn't thinking straight. As a woman, you should happy when your man loves you. Listen, I be a father loving mother. In the righteous so. When a mother's there, my make sure say, call mommy, even though me and I no talk. Call mommy and wish her happy Mother's Day, man. If I'm so call her, man, me remind him. You think me want me for still rallying? If me say rallying not bring down his mother, rallying not gonna bring me down too. Any man that cuss them mother, they cannot have respect for a woman. So why would my pussy jump for a man? When me know what is love, my mother breastfeed me till she was 6 years old. Till me at 6 years old. Me know love. I know love. Me used to go, and when me start go, 5 going 6, we start go primary school, she start breastfeed me. I wish I'm my little brother. Me up on the left, him up on the right. The little basic school, just walk through the other yard and go through and reach there. My mother don't even have to carry me as a woman. Yeah. And when time I break time, we run, come home, come suck 10 minutes press, and then we go back. I can't remember. I remember. Puss you never get. What boy, you less spot? What's up? You never get no love for your mother. Your mother abandoned you. And she know that your father was a predator. How can you abandon your children to a predator man? And you want to blame the whole world through your father rub out your pussy. You're tormented. Jesus Christ, the mother tell you say him tired. We want him to push a knife in your mother. And you might push a knife in her. Me I tell you that. He might kill you. You might big up yourself. I'm not trouble you. I trouble you. Last week when they run out and that cost me. I'm come out Sunday, I'm say Puss. Stop calling me name. Stop calling my mother name. Come in and see you. That's how we are make your life a living hell. I mean me not call him. Me not have a number. Him don't even have a fucking phone. People him don't even have a phone. A people phone him have to use. And call him mother. And she says she rich. So if you're rich, how your man don't have a phone? Me not listen to you. Puss, your mouth full of shit. I be a shit when you talk. Puss, you come like a crab. When you open the back, I be a shit full it up. I be a shit full up your head. You're programmed for wickedness. You want a man to tear down his mother. You're over there upon a blessed day. And I say, my nephew got a long time. When my never trouble you, my never trouble you. You're war with the whole family. And you're war with we, or we are war with you. Me not understand you have the man. Why you argue? Can somebody live like this? Jesus Christ. People, I'm telling you something. Uno be careful who the friend on the internet. Me I want to know. Me I tell you no. You ask some mental disabled people. Where? Because of social media, they can use it to bring out their hate and bitterness for them life when them get bullied and battered and beat out. Boys are their mother, exactly. Right? I'm now pick up for my mother. My mother A class. I thank my mother every day. When I look at me can't travel. I can't do everything what I want. I'm just sorry say. She did end up mess up her name and then send her home. You understand? But I thank my mother. I thank my mother for never leave me at Jamaica. I thank my mother for giving me a chance to succeed in life. Yeah? I should give all of it, should give Hugo. It's just because he was provoked and things happen. And he paid price, and pay for it, and he's when you think about it, a man locked up for 17 and a half years. Away from his child. He lost his child. He lost his wife. He lost a lot of things. His dignity, everything. And the man come out. He's going through he's suffering mentally. You're supposed to be the man peaceful. You're supposed to take care of him. You're not supposed to stress him. The man I beg you. I tell the man I'm not doing you anything. But God, my ways, me I live my life for my kids. Them all I want a peace in my life. I don't want nobody to call me name. I'm not trouble nobody. I'm not on the internet. I'm not fucking. If I'm on, I'm posting my food. I'm posting my kids. That's all that matters to me. Because you know, I can't go to bed and wake up like Twiggy. So what I try to do is love my kids them hard and hold them. Look how far you there. 1.5 years you left your kids them and your grandkids. And you say you're a good mother. Your son got prison for him at 12 years old. You couldn't go look for him because your parental right was revoked. Him come home now. From last year. Come home, come look for your kids and now. Come home, come love your kids and now. You sit down in Jamaica with a man that you said him hard chose you. You have him. One sister she no win, she lose. Because a woman who win, you supposed to show me say, yeah, you go. Carry got not course. Like how me say Queenie visit the whole of the parish. Enjoy your safe and Queenie got Jamaica. You know so Queenie happy. You see Queenie that on internet Queenie and her family law them, her husband before he turned her husband. Him family did a war with her. You see Queenie come live and say, me not war with them, because I love to get, I love when name do we when one name, I look, I look a chopstick. I love him. He make me happy. Why me go war with his mother? I love his mother. I love his mother just like him love. I love him. You just sit down on somebody's fucking mother. You sit down on somebody's mother for 2 years. I say you love the man. I say the man is broken. Stop telling him say we are war with you. We not war with you. You got me sword pan. He man me sword pan a lot, mumsel. Him tired. I'm telling you people. She walk in the place. She walk. I should tell people say my batty man. And him a this. She tear him down. She don't want him. Him a yard boy. She not fuck him. Correction. He's not fucking you. You're unattractive. You're ugly. You stink. You understand? Be yourself, Puss. Scrub your body, Puss. Buy some baby lotion and baby oil. When you scrub your body and water the fire, you use the baby oil and lotion yourself. And then when you come out, you just use a towel and dap by your body. And then you use the baby cream and just go over your body and you foot them. Go and go do your foot them. The man say you foot them and cut up him skin, him nice skin. Can have nice skin like me. Huh? The man say you cut up him skin, yeah, cut up the sheet. When they jackal two of them. How the fuck you can hold man when they stink and dirty? Huh? Get a girl know how for blood clot hold a man. You can't hold a man. Your temperament and your behavior. No man in a them rightful mind. I go stay with your Puss. That's why you don't have a man. A man don't want you. You see when you go let you know, blood clot you will never find a man. You will never find a man because the man them sit down and watch. Oh, you bring this man to degrade his mother. Tell lie how his mother want to suck him wood. His mother want to fuck him. All them nasty things there, Puss. You were your father concubine at 4 years old. Stop come and here and spread your hate and your bitterness. I can remember my dad. I was his princess. I sit on his lap. He give me the chicken leg. I kiss him. Me and him eat. And my mother the pan. We get every evening. I get every blood. It was my mother cook chicken and me I get the chicken leg. Yeah. Anything my daddy I eat, him feed me. And when I sit up on him lap, him not finger my clitoris. No. Your father used to fuck you and give you ice cream at $100 because you licky. When the rest of sister them run out and gone and I want to stay in the yard, you lock up in the room with him and watch blood clot blue movie and him a fuck out your hole. Even when your blood clot have your first son, your father come to hospital because the whole place attack. Because everybody knew him a fuck you. And him run come to hospital for make sure that the baby is not for him. Come tell people them that now. What a shame, man. So how when you're a big girl and you can't resist the fuck you still. Tell people them you move in your father. Because you gonna do it for you so you can't make your father come fuck you in your hole. Because you say your father gave the best wine. A 3D fuck it at the best time. Hey. Fucking a 3D. Want to show you the real me. Your father fucking a 3D. Come off of my name. All me ask for. I walk away. Leave me and my children, leave me and my mother alone. You cannot stop him from talking to his mother. Me cannot stop him from talking to her. Is our belly pain. Yeah? So, I end up on the live and I put this so good cum bucket, dirty English bitch. Let me tell you, man, blood clot mascot. When you buy cocky like dog, I want to not pay for the cocky. I want to know. When you see people on the internet who don't think you know people. Bitch, my mother in a nice 5-bedroom house, 2 bathroom. She got a nice big shop. She's comfortable with her shop. I'm still give her money at one time. You know, watch that. My mother only put white sheet on her bed. And when she put the sheet, she pressed them before. She pressed all her curtain. Eh? My mother come and show her house. So when you come talk about the dirty woman, dirty girl, you don't have respect. How you don't want somebody come and call your mother dirty? It's all the blood clot there. It's all enough. It's all the blood clot enough. You don't know my mother, and you come, the dirty woman, and her dirty daughter, tell Puss the fucking truth. Everybody run garlic Puss. Everybody tired. Nobody never see nothing like this in a John shop. A woman get up every day with a man's side her, and all she can talk about is the man's family. The man say, if him not bring down him family, should not happy. Him and her cuss. Where you think him and her war for? She want him come on the live, come talk. A fake story them, when talk a million times and the make up story. The man was incarceration. The man, when the man are going, I only have Amanda. So him could carry me, and my kids them got H&M and H&M locked down. Does that sound right? The man left from prison and go straight to Jamaica. So all the man for carry me and my kids them. And when him a go to prison, I only have Amanda. Does that sound like a man who write it? She make him say all type of thing about me. And she know in her head, say nothing no go say no. She want to tear me down. And she feel say, she could have tear me down sexually. I say, oh, me get this a fuck at 11-year-old. How much man gang bang me and fuck up my old bitch. See me? I'm gonna tell you something. When me I grew up, my fucking father, my mother come to England and get herself in that trouble. My father come take me out of the house at Portmore. Him they live at Maxfield with him woman. In the other yard, can give mommy the other house. I am an name on it. All that you talk on, who the fuck you know you see my father did? You blood clots in the deed for the house. So when my mother get in a trouble, him take me out of Texas, Portmore, and carry her Texan Road. You understand? You don't know we. You don't know nothing about we. Stop with the fake story. A full time now. A full time now. If you leave me alone, me no want a friend from you. When you want with me for friend if I post, you think that me a blood clot Erica? You think me a chin? You think me a berry? You think me a uku? You fucking crazy. You fucking mad. You think you can disrespect my blood clot heartstring, my mama, and my kids them. I'm in love, mother. Exactly, sure. And that I'm problem. I love my mother. Only can this my nice clean mother. You see my mother put them all them clean. Hey, we grew up. The man cuss you and tell you. I'm gonna tell you something. I grew up in a cleanliness era. You go so clean. So you go clean, and me and mommy nasty. You ever hear anything like that? So where you go would I get him clean ways from? Him mama. Where mama clean Alec. Then a blood clot woman, doctor, the man go sit down, man. It clean too much, man. How we are clean now? How we are white down? If you were my mother, If you want my mother get Bringland dark, eat out her plate and put it in her sink and I wash it. She cuss and go on bad. You come talk about me and disrespect my mother. Me. First of all, you never talk to Amanda. Pussy never speak. You ask one time to speak to Amanda. One time, you got complain and tell her say she don't want to talk to you. I'm say to you, I say, oh, I want to talk to mother boy uncle. I say, Puss, stop interfering in a family business. Me not interfere about you. Me say that don't concern you. We not gonna tell you Amanda not talk to him for. I'm not gonna tell you. Leave it at that. So how you gonna say my daughter press live and bring down her grandmother? How you gonna say me bring down my mother? Dirty girl. Dirty girl. You cuss your mama, you beat your blood clot, mama. Girl in the so me love my mother. Girl in the so me take care of my mother. Girl in the so me got Jamaica my mother there on the holiday with me. Me carry my mother got it. What the blood clot you talk about? Do we all me love that woman there? That woman there in my heart. Eh? Me never come for you and tell her say, me and my mother mouth no meat. Hmm? Me and my mother mouth meat. Me not innocent. But you gonna say me beat my mother, me broke my mother arm, me clap. Like I don't cross my mother. Eh? Talk to it, good as. The woman sit down, big Sunday. I came live, I just love standards, and I said, Puss, come off of my name. You do a live Saturday night, right back. So where was you go? He wasn't there. He left and him gone. And you sit down for your life because every time that man reject you, you're bitter for me. You're bitter for me because you know what you ring in your head. That me tell you say, in a while you. You're not gonna last. You don't say can be, you don't say can could have ugly and have a good heart, Puss. But look for your heart where you have. And you're not no blood clot shame. You're shameless. You're shameless. I'm not answer you again in a post. And the last time you address you. I'm mean it this time. It's so long, my God. I missed the last time. I don't care where you want come say. Because nobody no believe you. Everybody say you're sick. Because that's why you run on the internet, bring down Nadia, get new followers, and feel say you're going to get people for come bring down me and my mother. You cannot war Puss. You know, see, you put a woman on the phone. You cannot manipulate him like that no more. He knows. Puss, him know. Puss, the people them show him the live them. Him watch your live. Him know you're rub we out. Him know you're trouble with. Him know me not trouble him. What me I trouble him for? Believe him. You don't see what we reach him. The man pick up a blood clot Satan. When on a resting place. The woman no sleep. The man say, the woman, he must say, Jesus Christ. And what my sister could have done to that girl, I make sure tormented. So make sure you're obsessed with me. Why are you so obsessed with me? You're obsessed. It's sick, Puss. It's sick stomach. Everybody can see. Everybody can see say you're obsessed with me. I mean, no, after you war with Nadia, you're going to turn it around and start war with me. Because I mean, really, I want war with. You don't want war with nobody on the internet. No matter what cost you, no matter what class you, when I spin around and come down, you hate me fine, you hate me. I still a live, Puss. Puss, me still a live. Puss, me just, a big smile just come from my face a while ago. Because when I look, I get my 10,000 student loan just stopping on my account. I can't stop it. Come stop it now. Come take out the 10,000 pound in my account with my Halifax just show me. And that me talk, but come take it out now. I still a live, me I eat, my beautiful. Yeah, my kids them are growing nice, my children them are do the right thing. Even though I want to say me I do my kids them this. My daughter is a prefect, my daughter is an A-class student. She's gonna graduate next month. I'm so proud of her. She's not interested in a boyfriend. Because me and my kids them sit down and we talk. I talk to my kids them about life. She's very unhappy. She's very unhappy. And the only thing our mind program, Tanya, target mama, Manda. Like for fuck. You don't I could never in my entire life hear my mother snore. Make. Hear my snore, my baby a snore. And him snoring about me, you know. You hear him supposed to snore, my man, him tired. Because you see him have this big body girl for anger. So I'm not tired. Yeah. You understand? I can't do with the snoring. Calm down with the snoring. My man said I'm tired of it. My man said Tanya, I'm tired of it. Ignore the blood clot, girl. The girl bad mind. The girl grudgeful. You're grudgeful me. She know people when me and her the phone used to talk. And my baby father come home and give me the money. She said, them amount of money they get a week time. I say more. More. When my baby father look me, you know what draw me to him? Him kindness. Because you don't know what's a Jamaican man. And every Jamaican man, yes, so they mean. And them don't, what me that's put it say? Them don't have that caring spirit. And on me rallying, my man friend, bring him come at the yard. The first Sunday, a country. And him come. And me there cook red label wine, baked chicken, and rice and peas with salad. And him come and him strong in the kitchen. Say with my dear father. And the three boy talk to Mumsel. He was store out Ross. And when my baby, one time, my friend named Dread, come on. I said, Titi, I say, you know me, I have to cook. And him sit down before me done him in the kitchen. And him watch me I cook and him say me I clean. Him say me wash my hand. Him look for my fingernail. Him look for my body. Although I'm fat, but my body clean. My teeth white. My mouth no sod. I want to share the plate of food game and him was like, come tell some my baby father don't eat, you know. Him is him not yummy. Him never like restaurant food. Him like when me cook or him cook. I want to share the food game. Him say, oh, alright man, I'm say eat it. I say there, so watch me and I say I'm clean. I'm share the food get Dread. And Dread sit down and Dread I say, yeah man, eat it man, a good girl, me not tell about her. I want to tell you something. The first blood clot day, I know him. And every time he might come, look for me. Him buy chocolate, grapes, juice. Him not say, him can't say, what you like? And me tell him, and him bite. And me I say, oh. But a long time, I don't see them type of money, yeah. Them money are dead out. Them boy are dead out. Them boy are dead out. And that attract me to my man. And I am my man peace. You see how me a babe, him don't like it. Him don't like when I'm upset, because him know say when I'm upset him can't get no loving. I make a miserable. Can't I'm in no mood, man. But when I'm happy, I to them I'm happy and nice and feel nice. I want to look at the ear rub me. You want my man left my post. And the first thing that you do, you tell my brother say, for call my baby father, I tell him say, you're there on the phone while I want to come in from college and Raleigh tell me I'm going to call you. You take God off of the cross so you wasn't on the phone. I'm going to cuss him and I say, oh my brother for do that. You hear me play the voice note, oh my brother, I have many more posts. Listen. Me no come out and fire my shot same time. Me just sit down and make you tell all the lie them. Make you do all the things when I come out, I cripple and paralyze you. with the truth. Everything we talk me approve. You say the money make me a war. But come out and show say the account did have 79 pence when I give it to you. So there wasn't no money. So when you say me a war with you for, me not war with you. Why you war with me? Every day you get up, you call me name, you call me kids them name, you trace me, you cuss my mother, you disrespect my mother. Your obsession over my blood clot, little tiny foot mother. Hey, Puss, I tell you already, you know, my mother won't hold newspaper hold you. She scan you. Ugh. You sick as ew. You sick as stomach. I think you can cross my mother blood clot doorway. You must be mad. Hey, you know how upset her? Oh, she can't get to it. Oh, she cannot get to it because in her sick, you know, remember she's sick, you know. She gonna bring we down to grindstone. She gonna do the things them. She has the blood clot. What kind of people them this? When nobody now call you, gonna turn a problem. We not call him. We not trouble him. We cure him. Go on with him in a Jesus name, no, bitch. The man decide that you must want the man go push a knife in my mother. The man tired, the man I beg you, the man say me tired. I spend 17 years, me not lie people, me sorry for him. But we not for understand, me sorry for him, I'm not sorry for him. Because he put himself like that. Remember, you know, before him got on, you know, my big brother work at one big blood clot hardware company. And his job was waiting for him. His room was waiting for him. All of them saw me away at me. If him they go home, and if him still want, or how can him be in a relationship with all this woman want to do? Do not think you on the phone. I know me start war with you. I know me. And you start war with me. Because you're upset because you want to use in Barclays account and make all they put 25,000. And I say, I call the prison and I tell the governor, I talk to the governor, and I tell the governor, say, I hand over the account to Janet Bailey and she live at this address and her date of birth is this. I do that. You know, I fucking do that. And I video me in the post office sending the fucking bank card to give you. And me have me slip when me send it. So if you use it, blood clot and put no money in it, you go to prison. Are you upset? Are you making cost me? On my account. On my on your account. But you don't know these people you got. You are so innocent and vulnerable to society. Technology advanced. You got prison before phone come out with colored phone. I think Sony Ericsson come out first with a colored phone. You understand? So you don't know. She just tell you like it's so easy. Oh, I'm gonna put it 25,000. You get off. I already get off. No, it don't go like that. I can show when them a send message. When Barclays sends messages, Barclays send it with my number. Then why would my number be stored on the database? My email is stored on the database for the bank account. When the governor called me and said, they're doing this thing where they give them a basic account, and when they work, them want them to see him because they know that he was going to get deported, like foreign nationality. Because you don't know already, say, if you're a British, you already have your account and them shit there already. Right? And I said, yes, I am the assurer of the card. If he never have a UK address and a UK phone number to fucking use and email, he couldn't get that account. So you want fraud the account and you not tell people the things them post. You just tell lie. You're upset with me because you want to put the 25,000. I'm Why you put it as a girl? I have it from my phone, you know. I have the blood clot Barclays app and I see what going on the account. Bitch, you sit down on the car and you can't use it. I dare you. I dare you. Put money in there. I dare you. Fraud it. Bitch, fraud it, they say. Me say, bitch, fraud it, I say, call the police, them will come in yard. Me show them, and me tell them to, me report it to. Because any day fraud it, you got prison. You, I got prison. I dare you. I dare you. Boy, you have empty account. You have to have that. You cannot blood clot use it. And him cannot change address. Because I'm here, the assurer. I be, next year the car up. I be, bitch. I can't get it. And them things that hurt you. And them things that paralyze you and cripple you. All your life, you have the criminal activity, your thief. You see your thief down to onion. Where your thief this put you? All you do is walk and show people yard. Oh, me on phone. See that video that we do? The benefit people, I have a story for you. The benefit people, them have it. The government, them have it. So you say, remember you do them, you know? You come like club standards, you know? You put out video with yourself on a hype and a brag and a boast. And then we come. Remember now, when you claim benefit, them ask you, do you have any saving? Do you have any saving? Do you have any house back in Jamaica? Them ask you, so you show 6 to 7 house. 6 to 7 house. And you're a landlord. And you still get the people them universal credit post. Hey, may I tell you something, you know? You know, say any of leave me name, I don't do the things them. But you see, because you won't leave me alone, I gotta get up tomorrow and I gotta fix you again. I gotta fix you again. I gotta fix the kids them too. You understand? Leave me alone. You cannot manage my post. My brother tell you that, you know? Me hear him up on one live and I tell you, say, you know, you don't know my sister. You can't manage her. You can't beat her down. You're crazy. This a blood clot stallion here. You crazy. You think you can break me? You think an ugly baboon, an ugly thinking old girl, what this mother? What this mother way in your house and worry about another woman pussy where your daughter gets fucked in your house. 20-year-old fuck out her hole and breed her. And then social worker goes so zoop and take on the pitney. And you talk about Nadia. You know, good blood clot. Adi cost you throw a tip for Adi. Because Adi signed over the rights. Because Adi not gonna get him. And Adi say you're not getting my son because you're not, and the social worker them say you not get the handsome baby boy, yeah. Because as him reach 4, you gonna carry him go thief in the shop. And you're gonna mash him up. And him gonna turn to criminal activity. Imagine your 12-year-old son. Police was gonna kill him. Gun police. The judge said to us, get the fuck out of my. But said the judge of yours. The judge of yours swear people. The way the judge ate her. The judge said, get the fuck out of my courthouse. I don't understand. Can a mother have 6 children? And the 6 children are criminal? Not even one. Not even one. Come with a clean record. Can't talk about Nadia take her kids them for cheap. You know, so I'm going to go on YouTube. And because the government did release all of them videos there, you know what? The Puss and Madonna and Omar are running a foot like a CIA with the heap of box of trainers them. And then the people them say you take your kids them out of the house when the government, when every child, every mother will have a child over 16. Yeah, they get a message when they riot to keep, because they know that I was a youngster out there and riot. To keep your children them in the home. And you, if you're not, well, me never live in the area, but me still live in London. And people are come out. People are do it at Brixton and everywhere. So me still could have come out and go rob Foot Locker. For you to talk about Nadia Kara kids and go to you. When you take Madonna out of the house when Orico are 1 month old, I take a mark out of the house as a mother. Jesus Christ. And you take the pity there for go wrap foot locker. You know, sister, more you do it for me, because you more can navigate YouTube. Because you have your YouTube channel. More you search for the riot. Because the government, they release all of the video them people. She get 2 years. Mama get 2 years. Mother get 2 years community service because she had the baby and them know so she was young. She was 16 years old. She was 16 years old. So she don't risk her mother if her own mother. Can't say come mother and I come, make we go. Do you think that you were gonna get away? Puss, remember you tell me this the anyhow. You are deportation. Puss, I remember so when you did go down in a 2007, and when you come up back, you call me a ball, them can't see your blood clot visa. You spend 2 years in Jamaica for fight it. The only reason why them get back because through them take it from you unlawful. Yeah? And them want you upon chocolate and I'm not stop till I make you get deport. Me, not stop. I tell you. I have to make you get, you have to stay at Jamaica. Me not stop. Me not stop bringing it down with the government. Remember, the government hates you, you know. The government hates you. The government love me. My record clean. Even the policeman tell you that. Oh, people, the Tanya husband record is clean. Oh, go YouTube. What up on YouTube? Me and running for me, Marcus. Never tell me things and me I tell them things. Or I go for YouTube, can they go Jamaica, go fuck 11-year-old. Which part? The girl at 28-year-old will fuck. No fuck no pitney. You have problem with pitney pussy. Because you're sick. I can't blame you. Lord Jesus. If a child grew up and know that was the only way, and she can't believe their father stole her innocence. So in her eye now, every girl I get fucked by their dad. What's the time to tell you? No. People actually don't go through that trauma. Stop blaming people for your life. Blame your mother. Blame her. And that's why you class her and fight her and do all the things them. Because you know she don't love you. She hate you. You're too ugly. Me that hate you too. If me ever ugly people like you and love standards, you know. Me don't know else to tell you know. Because really and truly, on disabled. On disabled. On disfigure. Jesus Christ. On blood clot. Make Jesus Christ an animal kingdom. Stop calling him. Stop calling him. Puss, I am not doing this with you. I am not coming back on no live. When I end this live, me I come rub Ape tomorrow. Yeah, me I come rub her with my sister. But me I tell you this woman. Me not care what you want to say. Okay, you can't take me nice this. I'm just a tell say. The 10,000 student loan just dropping on my account. I can't stop it. Come take it out. Come take it out now. So that means me I move up in a life. Things that happen for me. Me I live my life. Me still I eat. Me I sleep. Look around your eye. You feel a raccoon. You feel you're black and rusty, you know. Around your eye, them black, you know. You don't sleep from your God, Jamaica. Because all you can talk about all I know you're upset or me challenge you over the internet. I'm sure the people them say you're lying. I'ma bring you down. And you think you can use your life and your platform, you crazy. Bring down me. If your blood clot no way you did that fuck with, you wouldn't challenge me. Bitch, you would have started. You can't bring me down. You can never bring me down. I choose, sometimes I just choose not to listen to you or not to pay you no mind. Because I still say the obsession and it hurts you. It hurts you or you send social worker come in yard. I'm going to return it back to sender. And then when me send it back for mother now and fucking your rapist son, it upsets you. I don't know. I don't know. I can't do. What did my children them do to you? When you class them, bring them down, talk about my baby pussy stink, and you have to call me, or you for call me. Look at my children, them skin. Look at them skin. Those children look dirty. And people can go down for my page way down before me and argue. I always post my babies. Does my baby them look dirty to you? Does them look like children where nah get no care? Crazy. Me never make my kids them got people yard. She's obsessed, sister. I mean it. I make a promise to my kids and I make a promise to my mom. My mom said don't answer. Make sure stay over there and bite up herself because we no count her. I don't eat. Don't eat. You hear for them say she did I rub you? I wasn't me. I was busy Snapchatting when y'all chat me and I say y'all bring me down. Big pussy, my pussy can't big. Free fucker rape. Oh, you know me, I give me. Then you think that me I gonna sit down with a man for 15 years and I get nothing. Because me now say I do put a piece of paper and I'm gonna buy myself a ring. Huh? If me want married today, right now I'm gonna say no. Yeah, feel monkey. I'm tell her say, in back in the slavery time, me and you sister, we are in the house, we are housemaid, we are house slave. Clat. Feel monkey when I have to go work the cotton field. I work the cornfield. From dusk till dawn. Bitch. Yeah? Wanna stop eating from people. Wanna come on. Oh God. Yeah. Phone there. I want to show one of the kiddies. Caris got my phone. Caris, bring my phone, come. I'm going to change the password. I get myself a Samsung. Yeah? I don't really like Android, but Sky was doing a deal for 14 pounds. I'm going to change my password. I'm going to change my password. I want you to leave my phone alone, Caris, and I mean it. I want you to leave my phone. I'm sure Uno. What she say? Me go Jaffa. I'm sure Uno what she say me go Jaffa. Then I say mad people me argue with. When I say mad people me argue with Jesus Christ. People. Wanna look on this. Wanna look on this. And this the woman say, no, I kid is spark. No, your youngest children are 10 years old. Look how she frightened now. She said my girl jar for the trampoline. Trampoline, you know? When me have a bigger trampoline than her. Hi, Janet Farmer. Long time I no see you, baby. Look on her dirty chaka yard. What she say me grow jar for? Me grow jar for trampoline, you know. Jesus Christ, 8 Sanders. Come the fuck on, lady. Come on, man. You are sick. You are fucking sick, lady. Look what the woman said, me grudge her for not John shopping on this. She was live showing it and telling me I grudge Oh, you been busy, baby. I saw it come on. I want that. Me don't know what that good as. Me don't know what this. She said one kitty. Time back. Listen, the woman is mentally sick. A trampoline. I have a 14-inch trampoline. 8 years now. And one time last year was a rainy and windy. The trampoline turned over and the net get damaged. Right? And I tell the kids them say, we're gonna move and left that one day. Me not buy the new one yet. When I move, I buy back them a new one with a safety net. Look how long me have a trampoline in my yard. I can't go for video. 8 years ago, when me had a trampoline, me and the kids them. You understand? So when you say, me graduate for trampoline, bitch, I have my trampoline before you. Does that make no fucking sense? I show my trampoline today. It's not on net. Because as I said last year, it flip over and mash up. Railing them bend up. Oh gosh, man, Tanya, them don't know that you live big in England. Tell truth. In everybody garden, everybody in England who have a house and they have their little ones, they're gonna buy a trampoline, bitch. They're gonna fucking buy you petty piece of shit. Oh, you grabbed me from a kiddies park. You go to Walmart and buy, must be 100 pound sandbox. Your fucking youngest are 10 years old, bitch. Why you gonna buy a sandbox for a 10-year-old and a 13-year-old? Like, does they have some slow delay or something? Do they disable? Because my 10-year-old Kimura would want a fucking sandbox. My 10-year-old in her gadget, in her hair pad, in her ears, when we get her for her birthday, and up on her iPhone blood clot 10. That she interested in her. She not interested in a sandbox. And a kid is this. A fucking trampoline. A trampoline, bitch. A trampoline, that's my bad mind. How much for bad? Me don't even know, so you show them some of them coming now, watch you. The woman is so fucking petty. The woman talk about food. She talk about food like say we cannot find food. We all. And they look a pool. They look a blow pool. Jesus Christ. We all can find food. Everybody can find food. Even a big gorilla can find food. Stop it. Stop coming on social media and tell people them bad minded for your career. Them bad minded for your kiddies park. Them bad minded for your son a graduate. Remember you come and you see your son a graduate. That's not my business. I don't care if your son a graduate. Thumbs up. I don't bring down people's children. If you fuck with my kids, then we will fuck back with yours. I don't get up and talk about people's kids. If your son want to graduate, good. Thumbs up. You grudge me, I'm gonna grudge you. My daughter is 25 years old. I've been there. I can go. I was pregnant. I was pregnant with my son. When Amanda was graduate, I mean, I want pink dress. She had a nice little dress. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you know about me. I've been there and done that, bitch. She graduated from college. She went to college. She went to Bromley College. And she do health and social. And she have a level 3 in health and social. Bitch, what the fuck you talk about? Exactly. Good as. I don't know what this woman talk about. This woman talk. Me time to tell you, when you're talking about my children, them are not puss kids that breed early, rob people house with guns, shoot up people, keep up place, have 300 odd conviction, them have a gag him and straight jacket him and put him on the plane. You're not talking about my quality children who Me investing in my blood clot pit to them. Come and make sure tell them to listen. Food education wanna get. Wanna born in a luxury in a bag, wanna born in a things. Wanna get in an education, take it. Man can't wait. Don't run down boyfriend. Run down your education, run down your qualification. For 4 years, my daughter go sat the school. And pays off, she get be A plus, bitch. And I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud that I have a 16-year-old. I should have out there, she in her bed now, lay down. And I tell me, say, wait name. Madhouse production for true. My baby is in her bed, sleeping to go to school. I'm still come up for the life because I after one. So I'm proud of myself. I don't have no problem. The police not call me and say, oh, Mrs. Light, I have Kira at the station here. She was shoplifting and we hold her. Can you come for her, please? No, baby love. Me don't get them the thing. They big up yourself. My niece, Tanya, I can tell you're doing a great job as a mom coming from a full-time. Hey, talk to a momzell. Be a full-time mother. I invest in my children. My daughter do 2 years in at the school with an English. Yeah. And then she'll do 2 years now, and next month I have to pay the last money. Because even though she's graduating next month, I still make she go the last month when she left school, she'll go and start the class. She's doing science and technology. She get A plus in her science. And she's doing maths. Bitch, what you can't talk to me? When I post my daughter one prefect, the woman press live, Puss bad mind. Because she come on here and she bring down my baby, them and say them a war, them a this. And when I post the truth, it hurt her, it cripple her. Pussy can't get them letter there. Pussy will never get them letter there. Hi, Mrs. Lloyd. Your daughter Kira did excellent today. You know, her attendance is 98. I have them pile up. I have the letter them pile up. We can post them. Anyway, I post them from my page. I thank God that my baby follow her big sister footstep and she's thinking about her career. My daughter talk about credit score already. Credit score. She have a bank account. I put money in there. She can use it and build up the blood clot to you, bitch. Bitch, you know what it is to be a good mother? Huh? You know what it is to raise and be a girl? You have 3 boy and 3 girl. Me have 5 girl and one little prince. Yeah. You know, moms are not easy being a mother. I don't know them kids are all them stay, them want to be big people for a time. You have to sit down and you have to have the sex talk with them. You know, the mother earth talk with them, the mother nature. You know, you make your kids them know certain things. You know, either way, in a lack of way, nothing. I sit down with my girl, picking them, I'm going to talk to them. I'm going to make them afraid of me. I'm going to make them afraid of me because I make them know, listen, anybody touch you know. I don't think me not going to believe you. No. I when I lie, you not tell. Me a prisoner person, I kill them too. So at the end of the day, I thank God that me have beautiful, intelligent, young ladies that coming up in this time when a young girl interested in her ear, eyelash, makeup, boyfriend. No. I can't speak for the other little baby them because I'm still young. I can speak about my daughter Kiara. I can speak about my daughter Amanda. Amanda did me proud. When Puss called my phone one day, oh, Amanda, no, man. I said, no. Remember, she was engaged. when she was 18 years old. Amanda born in Jamaica. Amanda come here when she's 3 years old. And this little boy that the two of them grew up, they used to play together. They love each other. I'm a witness them grow. Even though Amanda leave from she's 3, and I went back there when she was 16, and they begin to talk, and then will come up back, and then will go back down there when she's 18, and he proposed to her, and he break her heart, and she not interested. She not interested in a man. She interested in her Xbox. I work what she do. She work for Microsoft. I know other one. She work. I mean, I really too, the technology thing like them. She get paid to play games. She get paid to do all type of things. She's not interested in no fucking man. So when they ask me, baby, one man, I said no. Oh, so right away there in our brain. Oh, because man that fuck her father, so man that I want a man. She cost me. Oh, I be a tree from me and your daughter though. You crazy? You fucking crazy. Huh? I say, ladies, I'm going to my bed now. I have to get up tomorrow. School run. I have to look for my kids, you know. School tomorrow. I say this again. Them not an education. Puss no. Puss never received them letter when me received. Never in her life. Remember, Puss children, them have learning disability, you know, Madonna. All of them, they're slow. They're slow like her. They're slow like her. They have baby problem. Or they have ADHD. Remember, you tell me. I remember you tell me. And I went out there the baby and them do the test and find out that she's ADHD. And you say he's a good mother. Oh, you didn't know that you must see sign. You must see sign that something is wrong with the child. But guess what? You're dumb too. So you're going to see sign that you're dumb. You have learning disability yourself. You rub off your disability for your pity them. Eh? Me now address you. Good night, Cher. Sister. I got my bed. I'm here ask your post. Give you some peace, please. Give him some peace. I'm tired now. I'm have enough. Stop putting people on the phone to disrespect the man mother. Yeah? He don't like it. He don't like it, Puss. He don't fucking like it. Stop disrespecting the man mother. Leave the man family alone and stop talking about we are in middle. Nobody is middle in their fucking life. You don't have no life. Your relationship fake. We all know that. I know that. I'm going to tell you when me hear your business, I don't care. I mean, you say you're in my war, in my class, your foot in a class, your whole, your mouth, and your body. But I don't care. I'm tired to tell you, I'm not interested. Yeah, me, I call